Good morning class, welcome back to grade 4 mathematics. How are you all doing today? So in this class, we'll see how we can divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Look at this example. Divide 7435 by 12. So here we have the dividend, which is a 4-digit number, and the divisor, which is a 2-digit number. So since we are dividing with a 2-digit number, let's consider the first 2 digits of the dividend, which is 74. So let's see how many 12s can go in 70 form. So we know 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, and 12 sixes are 72. So make sure you are choosing a factor which gives you the multiple which is either equal to or less than the dividend we are considering. So keeping that in mind, let's write 6 here as the quotient to give you 12 into 6 equals 72. Now, we have divided the dividend and the divisor. Now, what is the next step? We have to multiply the quotient and the divisor. So, what is 12 into 6? It is 72, and the next step is subtracting. So, subtracting 74 and 72 gives you what? 4 minus 2, it is 2. 7 minus 7, it is 0. Now, we have subtracted the numbers. The next step is to bring down the next digit. Which is the next digit? It is 3, right? So, let's bring down this 3 here. So, that gives us what? Bringing this 3 down gives you 23. Now, our dividend is this 23. Now, what is the next step? We are repeating the whole process. So, 23 divided by 12. So, how many 12s will go in 23? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, which is more than this dividend we are considering. So, consider the multiple before that one, before 24. So, that is 12 ones, right? So, let's write the 1 here. Now, we multiply 12 into 1 to give us 12. Now, what do? We have to subtract these two numbers. So, we do 3 minus 2, that is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, the next step is to bring down the next digit, which is what? Which is 5 here. So, bringing this 5 down gives you the number or the dividend 115. Now, repeating the whole process again. 115 is divisible by 12. So, how many 12s will go in there? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. Like that it goes, and we know 12 tens are 120, which is somewhat closer to 150. So let's see what 12 nines give. Okay, so 12 into 9 and taking here 9 twos are 18, a carry over 1. 9 into 1, 9 plus 1, it is 12. Sorry, 10. So we get the product 108. So I'm going to take 12 times here. Multiplying 12 into 9 gives you what? 108. Now what is the next step? Subtracting these two numbers. 5 minus 8 we cannot do. We borrow from the next higher place, and this becomes 0, and here it becomes 15. What is 15 minus 8? We know it is 7. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is, 1 minus 1 again, it is 0. Now, do we have any more digits to bring down? No, right? And we have the remainder there. Stop the division right there. And we get the quotient here. The quotient is 619. And the remainder here is 7. So we have completed the division. Now let's check if we have done the division correctly. So make sure you keep this formula in your mind. The quotient into divisor plus the remainder should give you the dividend if the division was done correctly. So let's check the division. What was our quotient? The quotient was 619 and our divisor was 12. So let's multiply these two numbers, 619 into 12. Multiplying the ones first. 9 into 2, 18, a carry over 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 6 is 12. Now, the next digit. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 6, 6. Keep in mind that when you are multiplying, you are actually multiplying with the place values. So make sure you insert the proper number of zeros to correct the place values and the places, columns. Now 8 plus 0, you have to add the two products. 8 plus 0, 8. 3 plus 9, it is 12. A carry over 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 1, it is 7. Now what is the next step? Adding the remainder. So 7, 4, 2, 8 plus 7. What is 8 plus 7? 15. Carry over 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Bringing this 4 down, bringing 7 down. We have a number here, 7,435, which is our dividend. So yes, we have done the division correctly. Now let's say one more example. 5,246 by 25. So we are dividing with a 2-digit number. Let's consider the first 2 digits of the dividend. We have 52 there. Is 52 divisible by 25? Yes. How many 25s will go in 52? So 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 25 threes are 75. So let's take 25 twos. 25 into 2 gives you 50 here. So subtracting these two numbers will give you 2 minus 0, 2 here. 5 minus 5 is 0. The next step is to bring down the next digit, which is 4. So that gives us what? 24. And see, here we have a dividend which is less than the divisor. Can we divide this 24 by 25? No, right? And we have more digits to bring down as well. So in that case, what do? 24 is not divisible by 25. So in such cases, let's bring the next digit down and at the same time put a 0 in the quotient. Clear? Bring the next digit down and at the same time you have to put a 0 in the quotient. Now we have the number or the dividend 246. This 246 is divisible by 25, right? So let's continue with the division. Now we have 246 divided by 25. So how many 25s will go in 246? We know 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. Like that it goes, and 25 times 10, 25 into 10 is 250, which is somewhat closer to 246, right? So let's see what is 25 nines. I'm going to check with 9. So 25 into 9. 9 into 5 is 45. A carry over 4 here. 9 into 2 it's 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So we have 225. So let's take 9 as the quotient now. 9 into 25, we have 225. So what is the next step? Let's subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 5, it is 1, and 4 minus 2, it is 2. 2 minus 2, it is 0. Now we have a number here, 21. Is 21 divisible by 25? And do we have any more digits to bring down? No, we don't have any more digits to bring down. So in that case, let's stop the division and take this number as the remainder. So we have the quotient now. The quotient is 209 and the remainder is 21. Let's check the division. Quotient into divisor plus remainder should give you the dividend. So substituting the numbers here, we have 209, which is our quotient, and 25, which is our divisor, and 21, which is our remainder. So let's do the multiplication. 209 into 25. 9 into 5 is 45. A carry over 4. 5 into 0, 0 plus 4. 4 here. 5 into 2, it is 10. With the next digit, 2 into 9, 18. A carry over 1. 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. 2 into 2, it is 4. Inserting zeros to correct the columns and places. Now, adding the two products. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry over 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 1, 5. Now you have to add the remainder. So 5225 plus 21. What is 5 plus 1? 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Bringing this 2 down and bringing this 5 down. What is the number we have? We have 5246, which is our dividend. So we have done the division correctly. I hope these examples are clear to you. You have to go through the topic dividing a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number in page number 55 of your textbook. Once you have done that, please move on to exercise 4.1. You have to complete the questions 1B, 1E and question number 2, 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 4.1. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.